Okay, next big box. I asked for bill of sale, I got a bill of sale. It's very important when you're buying stuff with numbers on it, try to get a bill of sale. I got one for that case too. It's a little heavier. Pretty good for packing main shafts, I guess. You guys know how to pack, so you put that in there, protects the main shaft. It doesn't poke out the side of the box, see? We got what it was yet? It's a oil leak. Got an oil leak already. Dirty rag. Plastic. Man, 15 layers in one spot. That's oily. It didn't drain the oil out of it. Yuck. Oily mess. Can tell what it is yet? Let's see, what do we got for oily messes around here? We're looking through our toolbox over here for important stuff. Used to have a bunch of them in here somewhere. Plugs. There we go. Plugs. These are too small though. This one would work. Well, I guess one. One hardly does anything. One's better than none. Plug up your oil lines. These are 1/2 inch. Not big enough. Too big. Alright, we'll find something here in a little bit. Alright, there's a trainer Smith one. Well oiled up. Appears to be motor oil. Make sure you get the hardware with the stuff when you buy it. This came with a good clutch cable, speed sensor, neutral switch, oil cap, and housing, complete clutch cover, and the whole cable hanging down. If you're going to buy these things, make sure you buy one that has all the crap on it. It's even got the vent line up here for the top of the tranny. Got that too. Good deal. make sure there's no oil in your oil pan, because you might want to use that. And I'm planning on using it. Okay. So there you go, the old tranny. This is an 06 spike, FL. It's got the full oil pan underneath here. The dyno would only have this much of an oil pan. And this is a 5-speed, the strong tranny, not that stupid 6-speed that breaks. So this is your best tranny to make stuff for dicking around with stuff. Now, as far as I can tell, they put the bigger swing arm pivot in 02. So 02 and up has the big hole in it. And then your 99 to 01 had the small little 1/2-inch hole in there, I guess, and this is probably a 3/4. I guess it's a finger size. That'd be 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. That's how you tell them apart. So this has the oil pan on there, which will hold 1 gallon, which is good. They took off the pulley and the shifter, but I don't really care about the small stuff. I'll leave that on there. It's actually good. Alright, so what I like about this combination of junk here is that this thing right over here, which is your best case, meets up to your best tranny. Like that. And it's a nice solid mount. So you don't have some flexy ass motor mount like an Evo had. Or a shovel head. We got 2 bolts going to the frame, and a transmission over here, and a primary held it together that bounced, that basically twisted all over the place, broke the primaries off, the motors come loose in the frames, and just nothing but headaches. You can put braces over here, braces over there, and it still bends everything. So this, when you bolt this solid, it's pretty damn solid. Now the only thing that's missing that makes it more solid is the other part that's not here. And that'd be in this box right here. Oh, crap on the floor. Alright, let me get back. Get some oil to clean up.